Hello cunts, welcome to the Cody's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Cody's breathtaking Brie. So we got cow stuffed in a chicken, stuffed in a pig. This is confusing, I hear you say. What we're going to do is we're going to take a chicken, we're going to feather it, which means to flatten it all out. We're going to fill it with Brie cheese, we're going to roll it up, and then we're going to roll that in bacon. We have some bacon, some chicken, a Pyrex dish, some tongs, some tin foil, pepper, salt, some Brie cheese, a knife, some bay leaves, a lemon, half an onion and some garlic. Let's prepare our chicken. So first thing is we're going to take our breast of chicken. We're going to find this little flap and we're going to slice a little slice just inside there like that. We're going to follow this cut all the way up, and then we're going to come inside and open this up. Like this. We're going to come back inside and open up that again. Now we're going to come back across here, open this up, just like that. Now at this stage what we want to do is cut a little pocket in the very middle. Like that. Alright. Now we're going to get our Brie cheese. We're just going to take this skin off. Like that. We're going to take our cheese and we're going to stuff it into that. Now we're going to pull this over. So our cheese is in the middle pocket, like this. We're going to pull this over, and then we're going to pull this one back round. Like that. Exactly like that. Now we're going to take our bacon. We're going to take our bacon, and we're going to lay the slices overlapping across the top, like that. We're just going to pick it up and fold these over, and we're going to take another slice and go backwards. Like that. We're then going to take our dish. We've got our lemon. We're just going to cut the end off our lemon. And now create slices. What we're going to do is we're going to take our dish and we're going to line the bottom with the lemon, the onion and garlic. Like that. We have some bay leaves which we're going to add to the dish. Salt and pepper. We're going to add a little bit of water. Take a large piece of tin foil and we're going to wrap long ways. Bring the edges up, just seal the edges. And there we are. And place in the oven at 222 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. Next, our chicken is prepared and wrapped. We're going to put it in the oven at 220 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. At which point we're going to open up the tin foil, turn on the grill and allow to cook under the grill for about another further 5 to 15 minutes. So we've opened up the chicken, placed it back in the oven. We're going to just leave it to crisp up for the next 10 to 15 minutes and then we're going to serve. Our chicken is cooked to perfection, time to plate. And that is the Cody's Kitchen edition to Cody's Breathtaking Brie. And how does it taste? It really is breathtaking. I highly recommend this recipe. This is one of my all-time favourite dishes to make. That really is absolutely beautiful. Very hot. Be aware that the cheese inside is molten. If you just grab it and eat it, you will burn the crap out of your throat. Thank you for being here. This is the Cody's Kitchen, and this episode is Cody's Breathtaking Brie. Thank you so much for being here.